In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock on Chromebook. Step 1. Check Chromebook compatibility. Make sure your Chromebook supports Android apps and has Google Play Store enabled in settings. Step 2. Install Peacock app from Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store, search for Peacock, download and install the app. Sign in with your account to start watching. Step 3. Use the Peacock website in your browser. If unable to use the app, open the Chrome browser and visit peacocktv.com. Sign in or sign up and stream directly in browser. Step 4. Troubleshooting streaming issues. Keep your Chrome browser updated, disable extensions that may block content, and ensure a stable internet connection. Now I have some tips for the best Peacock experience on Chromebook. The Peacock app allows offline downloads, which the browser does not. Use a wired connection for more stable streaming with an Ethernet cable. Clear browser cache regularly to prevent playback issues. And that's how you enjoy Peacock on your Chromebook. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.